falling.
We're falling. What do you mean?
Like, we're gonna fall.
Wait, my phone fell. Oh my god. Wait, go back. Wait, it's probably flowing. No, it's definitely not flowing. Oh, my fucking screen phone fell. That's a Chinese phone.
His phone fell.
That cost $5,000, bro. My Chinese phone fell.
His phone fell.
I went all the way to China to get that phone. Oh, got that. My Chinese phone just fucking fell, y'all. Whoa. Fuck, bro. Fuck. Oh, man. That's my $4,000 Chinese phone, bro.